Want to grow your YouTube channel fast without burning out? I'm testing 5 AI hacks to see if they can skyrocket your views and subscribers in 2025. Let's make your channel explode. Hack 1. Generating video ideas with ChatGPT. Coming up with fresh video ideas can be a slog. Without inspiration, your channel stalls. In 2025, creators who post consistently get 50% more views, but brainstorming takes time. I tested ChatGPT to see if it can speed up the process. I asked, give me 10 video ideas for a productivity channel. It delivered in 20 seconds. Ideas like 5 morning habits to boost focus and how to organize your day with AI were spot on. Normally, I'd spend 30 minutes brainstorming that list. I picked one idea and made a video. It got 5,000 views in a week, double my average. ChatGPT also suggested titles for each idea, saving me another 10 minutes of thinking. Over the week, I used it to brainstorm 50 ideas, cutting my planning time by 70%. That's hours saved. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to generate ideas based on trends, so you're always relevant. If you're stuck on ideas, here's a tip. Ask ChatGPT, what are 10 video ideas for insert your niche here? It'll spark your creativity fast. ChatGPT proved AI can jumpstart your content. Let's try another hack. Hack 2. Optimizing thumbnails with Canva AI. Thumbnails are your first impression. Web data shows 90% of top YouTube videos have custom thumbnails, but designing them can take ages. I tested Canva AI to see if it can speed up thumbnail creation and boost clicks. Canva's magic design uses AI to generate thumbnail templates based on your video topic. I typed productivity hack thumbnail. It gave me 5 bold designs with bright colors and big text in 10 seconds. Normally, I'd spend 20 minutes designing from scratch, so that saved me 15 minutes per thumbnail. I used one for a video. It got a 20% higher click-through rate than my average, hitting 8,000 views in 3 days. Canva AI also suggested adding a smiling face to my thumbnail, which made it more eye-catching. Views spiked after that tweak. Over the week, I made 5 thumbnails, saving 75 minutes total. Canva's user base grew 25% in 2024, thanks to its AI features. If your thumbnails aren't popping, here's a tip. Use Canva AI and type your video topic. It'll design a click-worthy thumbnail fast. Canva AI boosted my views. Next hack up. Hack 3. Writing scripts faster with Jasper AI. Writing scripts can slow you down, especially if you're aiming for engaging, concise content. Research shows scripting a 10-minute video takes creators 1 hour on average. I tested Jasper AI to see if it can speed up script writing. Jasper uses AI to draft scripts based on prompts. I asked it to write a 500-word script for a productivity hacks video. It took 2 minutes to generate a rough draft, when I'd usually spend 40 minutes writing. I edited it in 10 minutes, saving 28 minutes total. The script was clear and engaging. I used it for a video, and it hit 6,000 views in a week, above my average. Jasper also suggested hooks for the intro, like want to double your productivity overnight that grab viewers fast. Over the week, I wrote 5 scripts with Jasper, saving 2 hours total. Jasper's AI is trained on millions of scripts, so it knows what works on YouTube. If scripting takes too long, here's a tip. Use Jasper AI and say, write a script for a 5-minute video on insert your topic here. Jasper doubled my scripting speed. Let's keep going. Hack 4. Boosting shorts with Opus Clip AI. YouTube shorts are a growth goldmine. With 70 billion daily views in 2025, they're a must for creators. But editing shorts manually can take hours. I tested Opus Clip AI to see if it can make shorts faster and boost views. Opus Clip turns long videos into shorts by auto-clipping highlights and adding captions. I uploaded a 10-minute video. Opus Clip generated 3 30-second shorts in 90 seconds. Normally, I'd spend 45 minutes editing one short, so that saved me 42 minutes per clip. I posted one short. It hit 10,000 views in 24 hours, way above my average. Opus Clips A, I also gave the clip a 92% virality score, so I knew it'd perform well. It added animated captions with 97% accuracy, which is key since 80% of viewers watch without sound. Over the week, I made 5 shorts, saving 3 hours total. If shorts editing slows you down, here's a tip. Upload your video to Opus Clip and let it auto-clip. It's a time saver. Opus Clip exploded my shorts views. Let's try one more hack. Hack 5. Analyzing performance with TubeBuddy AI. Understanding what works on your channel can be a guessing game. Without data, you're flying blind. I tested TubeBuddy AI to see if it can analyze performance faster and grow my channel. TubeBuddy uses AI to suggest optimization optimizations based on your analytics. I ran a report on my last 10 videos. It took 2 minutes to identify that my productivity hacks videos get 30% more views. Normally, I'd spend 30 minutes analyzing data myself, so that saved me 28 minutes. TubeBuddy AI also suggested tags like AI Productivity 2025, which boosted my search ranking. My next video got 7,000 views, up 40%. It even flagged a thumbnail that underperformed and recommended brighter colors. I updated it and clicks doubled. Over the week, I saved 2 hours on analytics and grew my subscribers by 500. TubeBuddy's AI is used by over 1 million creators to optimize channels. If you're not sure what's working, here's a tip. Use TubeBuddy AI to analyze your videos. It'll show you what to double down on. TubeBuddy accelerated my growth. Let's wrap up. That's it, Peak Performer Zone crew. 5 AI hacks tested to grow your YouTube channel. ChatGPT saved me hours on ideas. Canva AI boosted my clicks by 20%. Jasper sped up scripting by 50%. Opus Clip exploded my shorts to 10,000 views. And TubeBuddy grew my subscribers by 500. AI can definitely skyrocket your channel. Which hack will you try? Drop it below. Want to see more similar videos? Watch Can AI Double Your Work Speed? Next to grow your channel.